Menta unai lor kasnam arajar khan reo. San po arngot ki samla bakan thop iki kintai bat chenrang kila pendap ya kajing pule jongki bandrong kam hakatnat soil and water conservation jong kosa karjala hakeleng district jong kajala. Kini ki samla kila pendap ya training field assistant na conservation training institute jong katnat soil and water conservation kabaran haborni hat ribhoi district. Kabala sedang nadu benai risau kasnam arajar khatsan balala bat pendap menta unai lor. Kumba julang man lakasnam hakane kantiru aswa bakini samla ken selai bantrai halaki jongki kam haka kerdan baper katnat soil and water conservation klapun ko buramiki haka jelang balatep kum ka passing out parade ka basau pulai bala pelong khatnyo trek mentau nailor ha conservation training institute habarni hat hakani ga jelang o menteri bakmi yakani katnan uba roni v lingdo lolong kongsan bat laidan lang ro ki arngot ki parliamentary secretary jong saka jela bakan top yo Dr. Celestine Lingdo paduba Kennedy Kriam nangta u additional director jong katnat soil and water conservation uba W Rambai bat kiwe hakani ga kanti nakini ki sanpu arngot ki balapan dap ya kajing pule nagani ga jaka sangot ki dei na Risabel Para North Garo Hills district prangot na Tura West Garo Hills district sipangot na William Nagar East Garo Hills district prangot na Ampati South West Garo Hills district Khandai ngon na Bakmara South Garo Hills district Khandai ngon na Cleriat East Jaintia Hills district but sangot pat na po Nongpo Ribhoi district.
So I hope and pray that this institute continues to improve and then maybe other subjects relevant to the time now, relevant to the occasion now, relevant to the environment that is being affected. So like I said, I would like to pay my respects to the past directors because of their vision. Now we have this institute. Just imagine if all the other departments had vision like these leaders. Maybe medical, we would have had medical colleges long time back in our state, engineering colleges long time back in our state, but because maybe lack of vision, lack of foresight on some of these previous officers who headed HOD, head of department, who had a department, now we wasting precious resources to send our students outside the state to study engineering, medical and so on and so forth. So I'm grateful to this department for creating this institute and I hope why not improve upon it, let it not only remain as a conservation training institute, maybe further I can intervene with the Chief Minister to support you and improve upon this facility so that for specialized training we not send our students, our employees abroad, but then have it in state training here and we save precious resources and of course provide other employment opportunities for people who are qualified.